is superior, inferior, lateral, and this is medial. We label all the bones. This is the sacrum, coccyx. This ligament you can see here, in green, the sacrotuberous ligament. Sacrotuberous ligament, and this is the right hip bone. So this is all the posterior view of the gluteal region and the thigh. So this is tibia, the fibula. Here is the femur. Very small part of the bones can be seen because other things we need to write the muscles. For writing the muscle, I'll be taking a brown sketch pen. Start writing the muscles. Next is we also need to write the femur. Same femur. Okay? Got it now. Head of femur, all those things will come in this. I'll take the brown sketch pen and first write the piriformis muscle. Which muscle? The piriformis. Just write only the outline of piriformis. I will write dotted lines for it, just for representation purposes. This piriformis. Just below that, we'll be writing here again with one more muscle called as quadratus femoris. Quadratus femoris. Then this whole extent will be covered by a muscle called as adductor magnus. Before going there, just here we'll be writing one more muscle, that is one more muscle here. So this muscle is popliteus. It forms the floor of popliteal fossa. So next we need to write the hamstring muscles. So here we'll write it again. 3 muscles needs to be written here. We'll write again. So what are the 3 muscles? Superior gemelli, inferior gemelli, and obturator internus muscle. So 3 muscles we'll write as just lines. 1, 2, and 3. So what are these 3 muscles? Together we'll write superior and inferior gemelli and tendon of obturator internus muscle, tendon of obturator internus. So from about onwards, this is piriformis, the key muscle of the gluteal region. Below that will be the quadratus femoris, quadrangular in shape. In between these two, you got 3 muscles. 1 superior gemelli, obturator internus, inferior gemelli. 3 muscles. Next, you need to write this full part is covered by muscle. The whole of this posterior part fully covered by a muscle. So what is the name of that muscle? That is adductor magnus, large bulkiest muscle. That is adductor magnus. Magnum, or magnus means large. Adductor magnus. So all this adductor magnus, you need to write hamstring muscles. Which muscles? The hamstring muscles. Just for representation purposes, I'll be taking a red color, but in the exam you need to write it in brown itself. So what is this muscle? This is semimembranosus. What is this? semimembranosus. Upon this, one more muscle will be getting, that is semitendinosus. So write that in black color itself. One more muscle is there. On this, that is the black one, that is semitendinosus. Semitendinosus. Next you got the lateral aspect. Got one more muscle here. So that is biceps femoris. Biceps femoris. So together it forms, we'll repeat again, piriformis, superior gemelli, obturator internus, inferior gemelli, quadratus femoris, a huge muscle, that is adductor magnus. Next are these hamstring muscles, semimembranosus, semitendinosus having a long tendon, biceps femoris, and this one is popliteus. Now these are the muscles you need to know. Next we'll write Next I'll be writing this sciatic nerve. So just below this piriformis, the sciatic nerve arises, passes along the posterior compartment of thigh and divides into two. One goes laterally and one will be in the medial aspect. So this is which nerve? Sciatic nerve. So in the exam, after writing yellow, you need to draw an outline for this, because sometimes the scanners may fail to scan this yellow color. So you need to give an outline for this after writing in yellow color. So this is sciatic nerve dividing into common peroneal and the tibial nerve. Medially it is tibial nerve, laterally it is common peroneal nerve. So we'll put it in yellow box. The sciatic nerve dividing into tibial and the common peroneal nerve. So these are the things you need to remember while studying the sciatic nerve. This diagram you need to draw.